Hello and welcome to Money Made Simple. If you're a SASSA grant recipient or know someone who is, this video is for you. SASSA has officially announced the payment dates for March 2025 and will also update you on the ongoing SASSA Gold Card replacement process. But before we go to the dates, let's look at this staggering statistics. Importance of SASSA grants. SASSA grants play a crucial role in reducing poverty and improving the quality of life for millions of South Africans. These grants provide financial relief to vulnerable groups, including the elderly, people with disabilities, and children from low-income households. How SASSA grants make a difference. Poverty reduction. Over 18 million South Africans rely on social grants to meet their basic needs. Without these grants, many families would struggle to afford food, shelter, and healthcare. Support for the elderly. The Old Age Grant, which benefits over 3.9 million senior citizens, helps them maintain financial independence and access essential services. Assistance for people with disabilities. The Disability Grant provides financial aid to over 1 million South Africans who cannot work due to their medical conditions. Child Welfare. The Child Support Grant, which reaches over 13 million children, ensures that caregivers can provide food, clothing, and education. SASSA grants and economic impact. According to a study by the South African government, social grants contribute significantly to reducing child hunger, with households receiving grants having a 30% lower rate of food insecurity. The grants also boost local economies, as recipients spend their money on essential goods and services, supporting small businesses and creating jobs. SASSA grant payment dates for March 2025. Old Age Grant Pension, Tuesday, 4th of March 2025. Disability Grant, Wednesday, 5th of March 2025. Child Support Grant and others, Thursday, 6th of March 2025. If your grant is linked to the Old Age Grant, you will receive your payment on the same date as the Old Age Grant Pension. SASSA reminds beneficiaries that there is no need to rush to withdraw your funds immediately, as the money will remain available for months. Gold Card replacement and deadline extension. Many Gold Card users have faced difficulties replacing their cards with the new Postbank Black Card. SASSA and Postbank are working closely to make this process easier. Originally set for 28th February 2025, the deadline for card replacement has now been extended to 20th of March 2025. There's even a possibility that this date may be extended further. Most importantly, SASSA has assured beneficiaries that no one will be denied their grant simply because they haven't replaced their card yet. How to get help. If you qualify for a social grant but haven't applied yet, visit the nearest SASSA office for assistance. You can also call SASSA's toll-free hotline at 0800 60 10 11 for inquiries. By ensuring financial stability for millions, SASSA grants continue to be a lifeline for South Africa's most vulnerable citizens and a critical tool in the fight against poverty. That's all for today's update. Remember, grant payments start on 4th March, and Gold Card users have until 20th March 2025 to replace their cards. Stay informed and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.